Welcome to our complete guide on interactive brokers, where we explore its significance in the trading world. First, let's walk you through the step-by-step process of setting up your interactive brokers account. Now, we'll navigate the trader workstation, giving you an overview of its intuitive interface. Next up, understand the intricacies of placing trades, including market, limit, and stop orders. Interactive Brokers offers a suite of research tools. Let's dive into the powerful charts, news, and analysis. Customizing your trading environment is crucial for efficiency. Here's how you can set up your workspaces and layouts. Risk management is essential in trading. Let's explore features like stop loss, alerts, and notifications. Understanding margin trading and short selling can boost your strategies. Here are their pros and cons. Let's break down the commission structures and embrace fee transparency. Knowledge is power. To wrap up, here are essential tips to maximize your experience with interactive brokers.